What we're going to be doing is we are going to be actually working on a page. So remember in the last video we talked about uploading pictures and tagging them, right? Tagging, picture tagging, super important. Need to know how to do this. Picture tagging, uploading pictures, first step to making a page, okay? So you go to your book, and since I don't have the ladder lined up, we're just going to say that this is a field hockey page. It's not, but we're just going to say it is, okay? So this is it. You're going to click that little edit button. I could go back, actually. Sorry, I didn't show you guys that. This little edit button right here. You're going to click it, okay? You're going to click edit to both pages, and this is what your page is going to look like. So we're going to first start off by making a header, because that's the first step to making a page. So see that little T button? T for text. You need to make a text box. I don't care if you're making captions, subheads, headers, make the text box. Like, you can't put text in a page without the text box. People tried last year. It doesn't work, okay? So you make the text box, make it as big as you want, because you could adjust it, okay? Delete this Latin stuff on here. It's annoying, but just delete it, okay? And type in your header. Now, oopsies, okay. So what's going to happen is once the editors decide on what our header theme font is going to be, you need to then go to this, click everything, okay? And then go down here to select style, and you need to click the headline button, not the byline, the caption, the folio, the subhead. No, the headline, because all the headlines need to be uniform throughout the page. We've had this problem in the past, and I need to go back and check, and I'm trying to avoid that. So you need to click the headline to start off, because each page needs to have a uniform theme, okay? So your headline needs to be in the headline theme. Now, it's not going to look like this. This is just, of course, a mock page, but, you know, there eventually will be an actual headline, okay? Field hockey. And then subhead. I don't really know what our subhead's going to be. Kick. Oh, wait, no, you guys don't kick in field hockey. Score goals. Okay? That's our subhead. And then, once again, remember what we did the last time? Go down to this little button, okay? And you need to click the subhead font. Not the headline, not the folio, the subhead. Okay? And then you can line that up, make that all pretty. That's up to you how you lay it out. I really don't care. Okay? And then to the picture part, the fun part. Okay. So after you do both of those things, now you're ready for pictures. Now, since I already know like what pages are going to look like and what to do, I'm a little biased right now because, you know, I could look at this page and already do the entire page in my head. But, you know, if you're new here or you just don't know what you're doing, I guess, then you might not have a vision for this page already. So if you want, after you do your header and your subhead, you could just plan out your page. Like, for example, you know, maybe I want some pictures over here or interviews over here. Maybe I want this entire page to be transparent, right? And then I want to add some picture boxes. And oh, I want like this in the brightest color that we could get, which is black. I guess there's no colors. Oh, I guess there is. Pink. Let's do pink. I want field hockey in pink, okay? So, you know, just plan out your page before you do it. Unless, you know, you're one of those people who just does stuff in the moment, then just add a whole bunch of picture boxes, see where it takes you. You know, if you mess up, no big deal. We could always delete and start over. So, no big deal. So, basically, from here, let's do the pictures. So, let's do picture boxes first. This little box on the side, rectangle tool, okay? This is a picture box. You click on it. Oh, not the dictionary. You click on this, you take it over here, and you make a square, just like you did with the text box. And that creates this now gray square that a picture could go in. Let's make a few of them. because this is like realistically how a page is going to be made up. So, I know that this takes me like 2 seconds to do, and it will probably take other people longer. It's just, yeah. I've been doing this for a while. Okay, so, a few picture boxes made. See how I'm just like, oh my gosh, dictionary. So annoying. So see how I'm just like, making these picture boxes, line them up. Oh my god. I can't. Why? Dictionary's so annoying. Okay, here, picture boxes. Now let's go to our photos. Oopsies. So there'll be this little tab on the side. Okay, you want to click this little arrow right here, and then this brings this open. So this first button, like right here, as you can see I'm circling, is where you're going to find all of the pictures, which will be more eventually. The second one is portraits, templates, mods, art, create and share, and ads. But those aren't important. All you need to know is the image. You don't need to know anything else. And so remember what we learned with the tagging the photos? This is where it comes in handy. Instead of looking through each one and saying, oh, what's the field hockey picture? I don't know which one it is. You could go up here to the search bar. Oh, wait, no, I'm wrong. You could go up here to the topic bar and just scroll through this. Oh my god, the dictionary. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. Back to the video. You could go through all of these things, get the field hockey tab. Oh wow, look, the picture that we just tagged is now in here. You could drag it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, the dictionary. You could drag it. There you go. We have a picture in the page. Very sloppy, but we have a picture in the page, okay? Or what other tags did we do? We use senior tags. So, you just drag them in. It's that simple. You literally just look up the picture in the tab. Opening juniors, there's obviously none, but there will be eventually. And you literally just need to look up the field hockey tab on here, or topic, and all of the field hockey pictures will be there. And then you just need to drag them into the page. And that's literally as simple as it gets, because, especially this year, I don't really think that we're going to be focusing way too much on words like we did last year, because I feel like filling up pages with captions saying Leah Fritz is hitting a ball with a stick it's not important. Nobody reads that anyway. You'd rather have more pictures and less words. At least in my opinion, that's how I think about it. So this is what I just did, was how you're going to do a page essentially. And then, there are interviews and stuff that you could include on this side, but it all goes the same. So you just need to create a picture box, delete everything, make a question, center it, make sure to center it, then make small picture boxes. Oh god, this is so uneven. So bad. And then, just put pictures in. Same thing works with portraits. You just drag the pictures in, okay? Make the font small. Okay, wait, actually, I am wrong. Apologize. You gotta go down here to select style and click the caption theme, okay? I guess it didn't wanna. Okay, that cannot be the caption theme. I don't know, but you need to click the caption theme and then use that to make your captions, okay? So, I mean, a lot of people look at this and is like, it's a blank slate, and I don't know what I'm doing. And I know that, I think of it as not a blank slate, and, maybe some people do too, but I think that a lot of people get overwhelmed because they're like, oh my gosh, it's 2 white pages and I need to use these pages and make something out of nothing. But in reality, that's not true. You don't need to be a creative genius to be able to put picture boxes on a page and some captions. And yeah, I mean, it takes a lot more than what I just did, but essentially it's picture boxes, text boxes, and captions, and that's exactly what I just showed you how to do. So you just need to take all those basics that I just, went over, and with all those things, you could make a page however you want. It doesn't need to look anything like this. It could look however you want, but, using picture boxes, captions, text, color, you can make a page. And I just basically described how to do all that. So, yeah, I hope that helps a lot with, knowing how to do things, because I know that it can be really overwhelming just looking at a blank page, but yeah. So yeah.